In today's video, I'm going to show you Kimbo Rolling Knife Sharpener review. The Kimbo Rolling Knife Sharpener is a handheld rolling disc sharpener that promises to make dull kitchen knives razor sharp quickly by maintaining a consistent angle and letting a diamond-coated wheel do the work. In theory, rolling sharpeners can be easy for home cooks to use and help maintain edge sharpness without the skill required for whetstones or electric systems, and rolling style tools generally produce decent edges on everyday straight edge knives. However, from real world experiences, broader user feedback from independent platforms, especially productreview.com.au, shows very low satisfaction scores, around 1.4 out of 5, with many buyers reporting non delivery, misleading ads, cheap knockoffs, and terrible customer support, which raises concerns about the seller's reliability as much as the tool itself. Beyond this specific product, rolling sharpeners as a category can work reasonably well on common kitchen knives for light touch-ups, but they're not ideal for serrated blades, ceramic knives, or heavily damaged edges, and they offer less angle control than stones or professional services. In summary, the Kimbo Rolling Knife Sharpener isn't a scam in the sense that it exists and will somewhat sharpen a knife, but its real performance is underwhelming for serious sharpening, and the marketing or fulfillment issues reported by many buyers are major red flags. It's probably best viewed as a budget maintainer at best, and buyers should consider reputable sharpeners or professional services for real edge restoration. Thank you for watching this video.